2008 Chevy Impala SS V8. Very rare car. You see the symbol right there. SS. Anyways, he went all the way to Detroit to get it. Got factory converter. Then it has a MagnaFlow mid muffler or mid resonator there. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And we just did a rear muffler delete there. And right there. And then we put the factory MagnaFlow resonated tips on it. There. And right there. As you guys can see. There's where's the two mufflers? There's the two MagnaFlow mufflers that were on it. It was very quiet, so we cut them off to make it sound better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. At least now it's got some sound. It's still got a resonator in the middle too. So if you want it louder, you can take that off next. But I say leave it on there. It'll sound better with it. That's clean. Here's sound decibels. Rev it. Right at 100. It's so deep. Go ahead and back it up. It's deep. Not bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. Let's see how fast she goes.